22 Bowman Draft Saph. $5. Hard 10. It's been a while since we had a hard number. Should be 26 teams. Yes, let's do the dice 10 times. Shall we? 5 and a 6. Lift with the legs. 7. Push hard. 9 and 10th and final. There it is. There she blows. Where are the Orioles? Let's see what you're going for here. The Orioles are in the 12 spot. 10 times in the dice. You're looking for the 12 spot. Good luck. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. Same dice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10th and final. Jeff. He too spotted it, but he's going to come away with the Orioles. Jeff gets the Orioles. There's your contestants and the numbers that they get. I'm going to put it in here so y'all can see. Nice and easy. One second, I'll make it look pretty. Now it looks pretty. Now, let's just add the extra teams, because we just like to make some combos and hook you guys up with the extra teams. There it is. My wife might kill me if I do, but we'll see. Maybe I'll stick around. We'll see. Wifey's gonna kill me. The printer's having a seizure. I think it's out of paper. It says no paper. 1 second. No paper alert. Meanwhile, there is paper in the printer. The printer is lying to us when it says there's no paper in it. It's lying, because I can see there's paper. Printer, you're a liar. You lie like a dog. The fish to Hawkmania. All right, Jimmy. I'll write it in. The fish to Hawk.
Hey. Just take the other one with you also. I'll have to do it.
The fish have been gifted to Hawkmania. It's official. Thank you, Jimmy. Hawk appreciates you. Wow, Joe, we have a chance to hit a nice neato for you. I did, Joe. I gotta read it. Hold on. Where is it? Oh wow, that's crazy. I did not see that story. That's a crazy story. Goldnito. Goldnito is nuts. It's like good when you can't see the color. I like that. That color I can see. It's purple. I like purple. Purple is the 10. I do remember that dynasty. I've seen people trade things and gift things. Karam gifted 2 people super fractors in that. I mean, that was crazy. You know, we've seen it all. This is a nice box. An orange and an aqua. 25 and 20. It's a nice box. All right. Boom. Okay. Here we go. Let's start. You know, we'll start with that last pile that I picked up. Let's do this pile first. Good luck to everybody. Dunhurst to Nazir. 4 pitcher firsts in a row. There's a yellow in the back here. It's Gabe Rincon, Chase Madrid. How about Blaze Jordan for the Red Sox? For Kaonis to 99. How you doing, Kaonis? Got in, and you get the first colored hit of the whole break. This is green. These are to 50. There's McKenzie. Here's I Love Lampy and how about a Blaze Jordan box, otherwise known as a Kaonis box? What just happened? Kaonis just got both of the numbered hits in the first box. Kaonis. That's funny. 46 to 50. What is going on? Yes, Jags is fine. He's having a friendly conversation. There's Chase DeLauder. Josh Kastovich. There's Gavin for the Royals. Reggie. All of our friends. Clark Elliott. All these friends. All right, let's go over here. Let's go over here. Mejia, Logan Tanner, Trey Gonzalez. There's Ben Joyce. How about to 20 and to 25? Let's see what we got here. There's Gabe Hughes, the 10th overall pick. It's Felix Valero to 20. 7 out of 20 for the Baru crew. Going to Jersey Shore cards. And now the orange is for the Rockies. Going to Mike Garza, our newcomer. Welcome to Blez. Here's an Adele Amador to 25. How are you, sir? Welcome to Blez. This is Garza's first break over here on Blez Baseball. Mike, don't forget to send that email. Make sure you sent the email if you haven't already with the name and address so we know where to send the cards. Also, they'll give you a first-time like a new discount code. Unless you broke him on Blez 1 a bunch, in which case, ignore everything I'm saying. There's Zach Nito on the base. If you're a regular on Blez 1, then just tell me your username on Blez 1. Okay, perfect. Email sent. Good. Jerpy Simpson on the first. There's Pintar and Anthony Hall, Walter Ford, Palmquist, and Jackson Cox. A nice run of firsts there. Next pile. Here we go. Jace Young. His first kicking us off for the Tigers. Termar, Passiola, all of our friends. Jacob Melton, here's a yellow. For the Phillies, it's Gabe Rincon to 99. 64 out of 99 for the Phillies going to Brock. We'll take that. Here's a purple. Let's save it until the end of the pile. Melendez, Drew Gilbert, Bryce Hubbard, Nick Biddy. There's Cole Young, Mason Barnett, Ryan Ritter, Brooks Lee. I like him. I see a bat. That's a good sign. It's not a pitcher. Cannon, Ray, Mizorowski. It's for the Rays. It's Manzardo. Manzardo to 10. 2 out of 10 on the Kyle Manzardo. Going over to Holden Caulfield. Let's go. Nice Manzardo. Barco, Fabian, McFarland, Jordan Beck, Dylan Beavers. Yellow coming up here. It's Noah Schultz for the White Sox to 99. 66 to 99. The green piece I see. I thought it was a bat. I didn't say it though, so it doesn't count, right? Connor Prelip, that was his shin. To 50, 23 to 50 on the Twins pitcher. Kumar Rocker, Tanner Schobel, Keegan and Caden Wallace, Savino Miller Sims, a few pitcher on their first there, 4 pitcher first. Last pile, let's see what we got. There is, what color is that? What color are you? We're going to save you to the end. I don't even know what color it is. I can't really see it. It might be spicy. I don't know what color it is. Cermak on the first. Lamar King, Sonny D. And Milbrandt. Ooh. Ooh. Cutter Coffee. Zach Nito again. That's the second Zach Nito. Another Jerpy. Here is Jackson Holiday on the first. A yellow of Colton Cowser to 99. First in the print, going right back to Baltimore after the Jackson Holiday. There's Pintar. What color are you? What color are you? There's Christian Hernandez. I'm serious. I still can't even tell. What color is it? It's like stuck to the Noah Schultz. What color are you? Oh, you're red. You're red to 5. Good luck, everybody. It's for Cleveland. It's for Cleveland. MF Jones is not even here right now. BF, are you here? MF Jones is definitely not even here. It's a red for Cleveland of George Valera. 4 out of 5. Wow. Still really nice. Not Chase Slaughter, but we'll happily take it. George Valera to 5. 4 out of 5 on the Valera. These things are so nice. The red is, honestly, the red is the prettiest one. I've seen the pink. I think the reds are the prettiest ones. I really do. The reds are just beautiful. I think they're the nicest ones. We'll do a recap. Let me sleeve everything. I think I do have a couple more cases of this. I think. I'll check. I think I do. We did hit some Jackson base. One Jackson base. We'll take it. Here's the recap. Noah Schultz, White Sox. There's Prigo up a Jackson base. Cowser, a Valera to 5. It's gorgeous for the Guardians. Nice hit. MF Jones. There's Rincon to 99. Manzardo to 10. Valero to 20. Amador to 25. And a couple B. Jordans that we started the break with. Thank you for joining. That was the 5-box Random Team Extravaganza. PYT number 14 of 22 Bowman Draft Sapphire. Thank you.